Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I will be teaching you how to auto scroll on TikTok without using your hands on iPhone. So let's begin right away. The very first step is to open your settings and then scroll down and look for accessibility. Click on accessibility and then scroll down again and look for voice control. And then turn on voice control. Click on customize commands. Click on create new command, and then you may either type or say the phrase that you want. For example, I will say next. Next. And then choose the action. Click on run custom gesture. Or wait. Swipe up since you want to auto scroll on TikTok. Click on save. And then press back and choose the application, which is TikTok. Scroll down again. Look for TikTok. Press back and then save. And then now you may proceed to your TikTok app. Say the word next. Next. Since I am on screen recording, I cannot say the word next and run the command. So, if you are not screen recording, you may now proceed with the command and have the command that you want. So that's it. That's how you can auto scroll on TikTok without using your hands on iPhone. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.